Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my Classic TV. How you are doing? How is your day going? And how did your day go? Okay, so from the title, you already know what this video is all about. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I met this wig. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Drop your sister comment down below and share this video out. So this is the wig cap, and the wig cap is already shaped. Trying to place the cap nicely and properly. Okay, so I use my T-pin to pin it down. Yes, to avoid it moving while sewing. This is my curved needle and thread. This is the hair bundle that I used. So this is how I measured my inches on how I'm going to sew the bundles down. So I used my tape and I used 1 inch. So voila, I've lined it up the way it will be sewed. So from the front, I curved it like this so that I can get the fringe that I need. So I used my T-pin to hold it at this end to save me the stress of holding it while sewing. So you need to secure this edge very well. Make sure it's tight. Go over and over again and make sure it's tight enough. Getting to this point, I removed my T-pin, ready to move to the neckline. So this is how to move to the neckline or join the neckline. Okay, so when you sew, you turn it like this and secure the edge over and over again. So I'm using just a single weft. If it's a double weft, you turn in the first one, sew, then turn in the second one and sew. So So here I'm going to join, and I'm going to also curve because I have gotten to the fringe part as well. So secure the edge and make sure it's tight and flat, because if it's not tight enough while combing it might slip off, and I'm sure you wouldn't like that. So you follow the lines and sew it round and round till the last top. Then you secure it again like I'm doing here, and that is it. So I mixed leave-in conditioner and water to wet, and this is the wet look. So guys, this is the final look. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share to your family and friends. Thank you for watching.